Hey, Ian again from Jim's Antennas and Security. Because we're running an IP camera system here, every camera is connected by what we call Cat6 unshielded twisted pair. So that cable contains 8 wires, 4 pairs of 2, and every one gets fitted off with what we call an RJ45 connector. Then from here they go back to the network video recorder, which is hidden away inside out of harm's way. So once I fit this off with an RJ45, we'll mount the camera up here. This is going to be a 6 megapixel camera, so 6 megapixel is halfway between high definition and 4K. For those of you who want to put it into TV terms, super high quality. We're using UniView cameras out of China, one of the top 10 brands out of China. This camera here is going to cover the barbecue area and the back fence over the side there. Just giving them that extra bit of peace of mind when there's nobody around after dark. All these cameras come with infrared, so this area down here in front of us will be lit up in black and white during the night and then goes to full colour during the day when the daylight comes out.